So we wanted to make set it down for cooling because it was not coming together in the refrigerator for a few hours. After that, this was what the consistency looked like. So we decided to make the best of the situation and ended up cutting it like a halwa. It still has all the nutritional properties and all the benefits of aliv seeds. It's great for your iron levels if you are anemic, if you are a postpartum lactating woman. It's extremely good for your hair fall. So do try it at home and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.